As responsible Asian member state and as Vice Chair of ATC, Vietnam values this platform for regional cooperation and greatly appreciates the strong support of European Union.
Part of that relationship has always been a focus on the younger generation. Always had a strong place, and what better way to support our younger generation than to invest in skills development and TVET, empowering youth, building resilient economies. Because both of us, European Union and ASEAN, we basically share a triple preoccupation. How to harness the potential of quality and technical and vocational education in the years to come, how to deal with the impact of mega trends such as artificial intelligence, and how to deal with an aging population in the world of work.
Our vision is part of a much larger story. Across ASEAN, field focus of digitalization and the green transition are reshaping industries. That's why it's echoing what I said. When we talk about digitalization, we talk about transition. Of course, we need those who are graduate from TVET. It's not only about the simple skill, but need to be good at mathematics, good at mechatronics and mechanic and electricity as well. Otherwise, digitalization and the green transition cannot be achieved from our TVET group. This shift creates new opportunity, but also challenge, especially for youth and women entering the labor market. At the same time, the agro-processing sectors, a backbone of our region economy and food security, is undergoing substantial technological and environmental shift. That is why TVET must evolve beyond being merely a pathway to job. It must become a true engine of innovation, resilience, and inclusive growth. To realize this vision, we must bridge the gap between skill development and employment, and also technologies innovation. This is precisely why we are gathered here today, and why this workshop carries such importance for all of us. Building on study on the employability of vocational graduate in the agro-processing sector, we are now moving into a solution-focused phase. Together, we will explore practical actions, innovative partnership models, and multi-stakeholder collaboration mechanisms that can make skill development more responsive, more inclusive, and more impactful.
Our discussions have reaffirmed the urgency of aligning TVET with the demand of the labor market, and shaped by the green transition and digital transformation. And we have seen clearly that meaningful process depends on multi-stakeholder collaboration, government, TVET institutions, and the private sector working together.
On behalf of His Excellency Minister, allow me to express my heartfelt appreciation to Scope HE and its partner NUFIC and DAD for your technical leadership, to Jamal Votek for your crucial research and facilitation, to the EU delegation and also the ASEAN Secretariat for your continued commitment to regional development, and to all the delegates from the ASEAN member states, the private sector, and the distinguished guests for your meaningful collaboration and contribution for the workshop. Together, let us continue to close the gap, not only between TVET and employment, but also between the vision and the action. With determination and unity, we can ensure that TVET become a true driver of innovation, resilient, and inclusive growth across our region.